Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, and in this episode of Unbox with Alex Trinh, we will be unboxing the Apple iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021 release. So I got this iPad on sale from Amazon for $999. $999 on sale from Amazon. Today we will be unboxing this thing and checking this iPad Pro 12.9-inch out. But before we do, let's go ahead and take a look around the box. So here it is. Here is the iPad Pro M1 2021 edition. This is the 12.9-inch model with Liquid Retina HDR display. Here's the presentation from Apple. Really simple presentation. I really love the wallpaper that you see there. This iPad Pro is offered in 2 different color options and 5 different storage options. The 2 color options are silver and space gray. This is the space gray. The 5 different storage options is 128, 256, 512, 1 terabyte, and 2 terabyte. This is the 256 storage option. So let's go ahead and take a look on the sides of the box. Here we have the Simplistic Apple logo. Here's the iPad Pro branding. Same here on this side of the box. And on the top side, we have another Apple logo. So those are the sides of the box. And now with that being said, let's go ahead and take a look on the back side of the box. So once we turn over to the back side of the box here, you can see that we have a label here that indicates that this is the 256 gigabyte model iPad Pro 12.9-inch 5th generation Wi-Fi. This includes, as you can see there, an iPad Pro 12.9-inch with a USB-C charge cable and USB-C power adapter. All features are available in all areas. Additional information can be found at that website, apple.com/iPad/compare. And yeah, so that's all the information that is on the back side of the iPad Pro. So with all that being said, let's go ahead and unbox the iPad Pro 12.9-inch M1 2021 edition. Here we have this pull tab, a unique feature to Apple's packaging. All we have to do is just pull this tab to remove the plastic wrap that is sealed in this box. So once the plastic wrap is removed, let's go ahead and remove the top part of the box. All we have to do is try and pull the top part by lifting the top part off. Since it's air sealed, you know Apple's packaging is air sealed. And once you remove the top part, here you can see the iPad Pro 12.9-inch powered by an Apple's M1 chip. So once you remove the iPad, and we'll look at the iPad later, here's what you're going to get inside the box. Here we have all the reading materials designed by Apple in California, but we all know where it is made from. Here is all the reading materials that is inside. Let's take a look at that for a moment. So here is the iPad Pro Quick Start Guide. Let's go ahead and unfold this and see what we have here. So welcome to the iPad Pro. Here it takes you to steps of how to use the iPad. Here on this panel it talks about Face ID. Here on the next panel, it talks about the control center. If you scroll down to the top right corner, you access the control center. And here, if you swipe up, it gets your tips. Here on the back side, it talks about the top button, volume button, Apple Pencil, tap to wake, and more. Here it talks about how to power off your iPad Pro. And yeah, so that is the quick start guide. So here's all the other information. And here we have 2 iconic Apple stickers. Do what you want with them. And now let's go ahead and put that away. So here we have the USB-C to USB-C charge cable. So no lightning cable here. Here we have a 18-watt power adapter from Apple. So they still include this in the iPads, which they included in the iPhones for the power adapter. And now let's go ahead and take a look at the iPad Pro and finally remove the wrap, the protective sleeve from the iPad Pro. So there you have it. Here is the 12.9-inch iPad Pro powered by the M1 chip. Here you can see the 12.9-inch Liquid Retina HDR display. Here you have the selfie camera, which I think is 12 megapixels. Here you have a USB charge port, and you get quad speakers for this iPad. Here you have this magnetic side to charge your Apple Pencil. And here are your volume buttons on this side. Here is your mic on the left side of the iPad, and on the top side you get another 2 speakers, making it quad speakers. And you have a power button on the top. Here's the back side, where here are your ports for your keyboard, and here you have dual camera lens, one 12 megapixel and one 10 megapixel, one regular lens and one ultra wide lens. Here you have the iconic Apple logo on the back. So let's go ahead and power the iPad Pro for the first time. So here we have the Apple logo, and with all that being said, I'm going to set this iPad Pro up, and we will go through this iPad together. So here is the iPad Pro all set up and ready to go. Let's view this in horizontal mode. Here you have the widgets on top. If you swipe to your left, here you have more widgets. Here are all the apps that is already loaded onto your iPad Pro once you set this up. Lots of apps. And here is your dock at the bottom. Scroll up to go back home. Scroll down to see your notifications. And if you scroll back up and scroll to the top right corner, here's your control panel. And yeah, so that is the unboxing of the iPad Pro M1. If you like this video, please give this video a huge thumbs up. Comment in the comment section below on what you think about this unboxing. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Be sure to check out my other YouTube content that is on this channel. And thank you for watching Unbox with Alex Trinh. And I will definitely see you on next one.